Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine and you're welcome to my little corner of YouTube. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about a natural hair starter kit. So the ultimate guide for the new natural. If you're thinking about going natural, if you're already natural, if you're already on your natural hair journey and you are clueless and you don't know what you are doing, or you just need a little help, or you just want a new perspective from someone else, this is the video that you should be watching. So this video I think will be in either 2 or 3 parts because I don't want the videos to be very long. But for today we will be talking about mindset. So as they popularly say, every battle that we fight is either won or lost in the mind before it manifests physically, and I absolutely agree with that. If you've decided that you want to go natural, or you have gone natural newly, or you're already on the journey, the first thing you need to think about is your mindset. This is absolutely important. As with any other thing in life, your mind has to be right. If not, my dear sister, you will be tired and you will give up. So I wanted to share with you a few things that you should be thinking about if you're starting this journey. Okay, I have my notes here, that's why I'm looking down. But the first thing I wanted to talk about was self-love / confidence. Now, when I first went natural hair, I wasn't confident about my hair. It was bad enough that I was the only black person in my lab, and now you want to come and appear with afro, like the stairs. My god, it wasn't something that I was ready for. So 99% of the time I had my hair in a protective style, and whenever I was out I tried to put it in a sleek style, or whatever style I thought would be acceptable and would get me less stares from people. So that was what I did. You don't want to go through that. You have to get it right here first. Now, when God made you, he made you with this hair. So sometimes I listen to people and they say, oh, natural hair is not for me. So who is it for, auntie? Who is it for? You were born with it, so it is your hair. God made you with it, and when he made you, he thought it was good, he thought it was beautiful. So why should we think otherwise? Why do we let society decide for us what is good and what is bad, when God has made us this way and he thought we were perfect and he thought we were good? So this is the kind of thing that you need to get in your head from the beginning. You have to consciously and intentionally tell yourself that I am beautiful. My hair is beautiful, my natural hair is beautiful, this is the way God made me. If God thinks I'm beautiful, then for sure I am beautiful. And when you constantly keep telling yourself that, you start beginning to believe. Your mind actually starts to believe, and what you believe you actually start to become. You will physically start to feel better about your hair and rocking your hair. You start to feel more confident about rocking your hair, but it starts with you realizing that your hair is beautiful, okay? And you constantly telling yourself, because see, from a young age we've been told that relaxed hair is beautiful. So you have to unlearn all those things that you have learned before. So you have to constantly tell yourself, my natural hair is beautiful, my natural hair is beautiful, and eventually you will feel beautiful and feel more confident about wearing your natural hair. Why is this important? People will try you. I'm not even talking about someone on the road telling you, your hair is not fine, or your hair is unkempt, or your family and friends. They're the first person that will try you. Trust me, I've been there every day. When are you relaxing your hair? I'm not calling names, but you'll be asking me, when are you relaxing your hair? I'm like, I understand that these people are not coming from a place of hate, but all they have ever known is relaxed hair, and then you're coming up with this, and they feel like you are in pain or you're stressing yourself out. So it's out of love they're actually saying these things. And if you're not mentally ready, my sister, you will get tired, you will get frustrated, and you will think about giving up. So you need to have your mind in check. You need to have your mindset in check. That is why this is very important. Yeah. Jesus is Lord. The next point that I actually wanted to quickly touch on was accepting your hair. Now, it's okay to watch different people on YouTube and be inspired by their hair or the hairstyles that you do, especially if you haven't big chopped or you haven't finished your transitioning. Don't get your hopes up or think, oh, my hair is going to look like Auntie Big's hair, or my hair is going to look like that person's hair. No, whatever it is, your texture or your color pattern or whatever it is, just accept it the way that it is. Don't try to see, oh, that person's hair is better than my hair. Texture has got nothing to do with any hair. Healthy hair is beautiful hair. If you're taking care of your hair and that's how it's growing out of your scalp, it is beautiful. Don't think that someone else's hair, because they have a different color pattern, it is more beautiful than yours. That's a lie. You have to reject it. If you have 3C hair, rock it. If you have 4C hair, rock it. If your hair is 4Z like my own, rock it with pride and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Bam, that's it. That's all I have to say. Drops mic. The third and final point, but not least, is patience / don't compare yourself to other people. Now this, I feel, is very, very important, because the first thing is all hair grows. Yeah, if you're not sick, you don't have terminal disease or alopecia or hormonal imbalance. You know, if you're healthy generally, your hair is growing. If not, we will not need to go and get relaxers every 6 weeks or thereabout if our hair wasn't growing. Now the problem is it's breaking off at the end, so that's why we think it's not growing. So your hair is growing. Be patient. Just be patient. Do not compare yourself with someone else. Yeah, 2 people can go natural the same day, the same time, and you might find out that one person's hair is grown long to the floor and the other person's hair is still short. But you need to understand that genetics plays a very important role in how our hair grows. Some people's hair now will grow 1 inch a month. Other people's hair might grow 1/2 inch or 1/4 of an inch a month. You look at yourself, yeah, look at your family, look at your mom's side, look at your dad's side, see how the hair grows. That can kind of give you an indication of what's going on with your hair. And whatever it is, if it's slow growing, if it's fast growing, we'll rock it. There's nothing you can do. It's just like some people are taller than some people. What are you going to do about it? You want to kill yourself? There is nothing absolutely you can do about it. So accept your hair for what it is. Be patient. Your hair is definitely growing. Family, the people that I started my natural hair journey the same time with them, man, their hair is reaching the floor. My hair is still here. We're still struggling, but I've accepted it. This is my hair. This is the way it goes, and I'm not going to kill myself about it. So what I would just like to say quickly is, whatever stage you are in your hair journey, just rock it. Like, if you have a teeny weeny afro, rock it. If your hair is short, long, whatever stage you're in, rock it. There's no point wanting to grow your hair, and your hair is now long. What are you now going to do? What was the whole point? I think this whole thing is a journey, and you have to appreciate every stage of the journey that you find yourself. So with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you. I'm kidding, but I just wanted to share with you guys how important it is to have the right mindset to start this journey. I know people that have started this journey and at this point they're like, I can't do it anymore. I want to relax my hair. It may be they have run into real issues, but I mean, if you have your mindset always in check, I believe it's a good thing to have from the get-go. So yes, that's it for this video really. If you learned anything from this video, or if you thought that I missed out anything, I mean, this list is not exhaustive. There's just a few things that I wanted to share, that I thought was important, that I wanted to share with the new natural. If there's any more, please, how do you say it now? Leave it in the comment section below, and we can all learn and benefit from it. If you think that this video will be beneficial to your friends, your auntie, your cousin, everyone, you can send this video to them, share it with them. Yeah, I think that's all about it for this video. For the next video, we'll be talking about natural hair tools and products that will help you on your new journey. So yes, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please help me to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.